Alhamdulillah, third CS International Sailing Championship 2022. Turkish को भी काफ़ी tough time दिया है to yesterday. काफ़ी difficult challenges रही हैं कल.
This year we come again. Very funny and exciting for the kids. We love Pakistan and very nice people.
It's been an amazing experience for us also, for the local jurors to interact with them, to learn from them. Absolutely, and a great future not even for sailors but also for officials also.
Pakistan Air Force Yacht Club members were doing good. They were competing with the international sailors. So we have been coming up, and PF Yacht Club is investing a lot in the youth.
मेरा बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है यहाँ पे।